we go. We have our literature. It's from ChunHee, dog doorbell. So I'm assuming that's the press button. We have our little Phillips. That's what we have in here. And then we have our plug-in. All right. So I'm going to have to set this up and play with it. So just found the buttons on the side here. I clicked it. So you got the up and down and the set. So you plug that into your wall and you have a speaker up here, it looks like. And the speaker back here, so we'll reverb off the wall. And then this is what you want to put near the door. And Pavlov's dog, have you ever heard that? Where he trained his dog to do stuff through repetitive and food. So this is basically the same thing you're going to probably have to do. There's a nice little pad there, and then sticky with Velcro, and another piece of Velcro. So if you want to stick it on the wall, or I guess the pad would be really in there. The pad, I would say, is so that you can put it on the floor, maybe. So, oh, it's already lit up. So when the dog presses here, right, you see that little light is going to chime, and you'll know that your dog wants to go outside. On the instruction booklet, it has a QR code for setting up the video guide right down here on each page. How to, let's see, what is the very first one? Insulation, right? So we just got to take our plug, and I'm going to have to plug mine in upside down because I got my Google Play there. It dings. So now it should be paired. And we press it again. And it's paired. Or the how many are there? If you can't find one, I don't know. I'm not letting them play all the way through. I think we're back at the beginning. Yep. How many. If you can't find one that suits your life, I don't know. They're pretty long, and I like beer at least, but that was way more than I thought there would be. That was pretty impressive. Um, let's see. I would like to have the volume a little lower. That was pretty loud. But you can clear all the settings if you want to, go back and redo stuff. Very, very nice instruction booklet. A lot of the instruction booklets are not very good. Let's see, working range up to 100 feet. That's definitely good. 55 different ringtones. 55. If I had read that first, I don't think I would have sat there and went through them all. Volume level from 0 to 110 decibels. I guess if you want somewhere farther away from the door, or if you want it right in your bedroom, you can get it quieter. I'm definitely going to have to play with that volume because that is crazy. But here's your pad. Dog walks up, steps on it, and you're good.